Scene Clean offers a full range of services in the city of Robbinsdale. That could include crime scene cleanup services, death-related services such as homicide and suicide cleaning, drug mitigation cleaning, as well as hoarding cleanup services. And in the past year, we have helped several customers in the city of Robbinsdale, both on the residential and the commercial side. The process starts when the customer either gives us a call or sends us an email. And right away we'll reach out to them or talk with them if they call about what are some of the possible outcomes and solutions to their problem. And if it's appropriate to have them file an insurance claim, we'll help walk them through that at that time. But depending on the nature of the call, we try and be there if needed within a couple hours. But sometimes it's not something that is urgent and can wait. But at most, we try and be there within 24 hours, or at least on site to help them do a further assessment. If it is something that can be covered or possibly be covered by a homeowner's insurance claim, we'll help walk them through that process. And that process could be from the beginning with the mitigation piece of it, all the way through to the construction rebuild portion of a claim. The consequences of not hiring the appropriate professional can obviously lead to sickness and or death with what we deal with. I mean, biohazards are a pretty serious thing. And making sure the job is done right the first time is what we pride ourselves with at Scene Clean. And what sets us apart is our long-standing place in this industry locally in Minnesota and our reputation. We have a strong reputation that was taken us years to build up. We use full-time employees that only focus on biohazard situations, unlike a lot of our competitors that are fire and water loss contractors that do this on the side. We focus 100% on doing biohazard cleanup every day.